Hazrat Abu Sa'id Khudri radiyallahu anhu states that Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam got up and delivering the sermon said, O people, by Allah Jalla Jalaluhu, I am not scared about you regarding anything save the fascination of the world, which Allah Jalla Jalaluhu has created for trial of you. A man submitted, O Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam, can good cause evil? Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam remained silent for a while and then said, What did you say? He submitted, O Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam, can good cause evil? Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam whereupon said, Good generates only good. In spring, when verdant vegetation grows, it either kills an animal or brings it on the verge of death, except those animals that graze only green grass to such an extent that their flanks swell and they sitting in the sun, urinate and defecate and then cud and then resume grazing. Whosoever takes wealth as per his title and shares his wealth will be blessed, and whosoever appropriates it is like the animal that eats but never gets satiated. Sahih Muslim Hadees number 2418.